Hey guys, Sean here from D Sweet Deals, or from my YouTube handle Bajan HBK. It's been a minute, but I'm back. So when we last left off in my last video, I know it's been a long time since I made a video. But as you know, if you've seen my last video, if you haven't, go back and watch it. If you've seen my last video, we were talking about me starting a resale business with only $20 in my pocket. Now, I am doing reselling part-time. My goal is to kick this resale business up high notch. Like, I want this to be my full-time business. Like, I'm tired of working for people. I don't know about you, but I'm tired. And if 2020 and now today's actually Monday, March 8th, 2021. 2020 was a wake-up call for a lot of us. With the pandemic, what that showed everyone is if you ain't have multiple streams of income coming in, if you were just relying on a 9-to-5 job like the majority of us, if that job for some reason was shut down with the pandemic, or if you lost your job to the pandemic, no one knew what their life would be like after, or still is up to this day. Luckily, I have multiple streams of income coming in, and I started a resale business a while back. I mean, it's not huge how I want it to be, but starting from $20 and working with it on my own for the past couple of years, it's been a journey, but I'm enjoying every minute of it. I'm going to basically give you a rundown of what the game plan is for 2021. I'm going to make this a more serious thing, and I'm going to push every ounce of my being to build this into a full-time livable business. So the goals for this year is more accountability. So I'm going to try to make a YouTube video at least 1 to 2 times a week. As it builds, we'll probably go live. Me and the audience, you guys, will go back and forth, and we'll bounce off of each other. Now, with me, I lose focus a lot. So when I started, everything was brand new. The reselling game, hitting up the thrift shops, going to the yard sales, doing retail arbitrage. I mean, for one person, it was a lot. But I was having fun doing it. I'm still having fun doing it. With my part-time job, it's a little stressful, but we ain't gonna make excuses. This is 2021. We're gonna do this. We're gonna start making some big time money. That is the goal. We're gonna pay off the house. We're gonna pay off the cars. Right now, there's no real credit card debt, and we will go from there. All right. So the goals for this year: to pull in more multiple streams. We're gonna increase this eBay business, where I want to be pulling in at least 500 a week. Hoping to hit a goal of 30,000 just on the reselling side. We're not talking about the affiliate marketing or anything else from the other streams, just the reselling side. I'm hoping to hit 30,000. My numbers before we'll go through in a different video. But from starting with $20, let's go take a look at how far we've gotten with inventory. Right now, I have about 500 pieces live inventory in eBay, between eBay and Poshmark. And we dabble in Mercari a little bit. Right now, I'm upstairs in my attic, which is my gym. and also where I store my inventory. So let's get a good look at this stuff here. Can I switch the camera? As you can see, I'm not tech savvy. Like I said before, I lose focus a lot. That's one of my downfalls with this business. But you guys are going to be my accountability partner, and we're going to help each other through this. And I need to work on my focus, so I'm going to get more focus and more organized, more detailed of how I do things. So I'll give you a quick glimpse of the inventory, how it is. As you can see, there's a lot of things in boxes. We have the bin system. We got the shelving system. Wish I knew how to turn this camera around properly. And we got the shoe racks. It might look a little disorganized to you guys, but trust me, I know how to find everything within my stores because everything is labeled, everything's numbered, down to the boxes. So you can see on this box, box B, everything's labeled. Whatever is in box B, it has another label. I know where to find it. As far as for my bins, they all got letters. The bins, same deal. I go through, I look what's sold, I look at the letter. There's another number on the inside. I go find that number and I pull from there. But the different inventory systems, I have to switch up and find different ways to organize. I'm going to get it more organized, but it's a journey. And I'm going to take you guys with the journey as we switch. So, welcome back to my channel. If you're not subscribed yet, subscribe, join the journey with me. Like I said, I started out with $20. And as you can see with the inventory, we're way past the $20 of reselling. Most of that stuff is thrifted, mixed in with bulk buys, yard sale, retail arbitrage. So it's a lot of different techniques. I'm going to give videos 1 to 2 times a week, and we'll discuss more ways of how the business is growing. I'll show you where it came from, how far it's gotten. And if you're like me, hard to focus, mind going 20 miles per hour trying to do different things, we will figure out together how to stay more focused and time oriented. All right, guys, so smash that like button, subscribe, and we will take this journey together, learn together, grow together, hopefully build businesses together. This is Sean, Mr. Bajan HBK, out.